Well, I was gonna do a little welding, cutting, but as you can see, no disc there, and no disc came with it. Oh, there it is on the box. Cutoff wheels will separate like hell. If I would have known that, I would have gotten it. So I guess back in the box it goes, and I'll work on something else here. Well, since I don't have the cutoff wheel for the chop saw, I found another way to get what I need done. Cutting little squares out of here is to use a speed square. I'll line it up here, just give it a little bit extra for the... I'll line up at roughly 3" and zip it off with the angle grinder. Well, looks like something stripped out on the angle grinder. We'll have to see what the heck is going on. Well, something with the threads got all banged up, And the button for the locking the arbor in so you could turn it, that's failed, so nothing I can do now. The last cutting tool I had available is broke, so I'm not getting a Harbor Freight angle grinder again. If this one's not under don't have the extended warranty on it, I'm not getting one of these again.